Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Tias Nursifa. I from group 4. Okay, I will present a short story about Pahawang Beach Tour. Next. Lampung City is one of the cities on the long and beautiful island of Sumatra, which consists a lot of natural tourist destination in the form of very beautiful beaches island in the city of Lampung. For tourist facilities in the city of Lampung, it is not complete as tourist attractions on the island of Java, especially for the Pahawang Island itself. Next. Pahawang Island attraction. Pahawang Island attraction number 1 is snorkeling. Snorkeling by enjoying the clear weather. Number 2, marine biota, the beautiful. Number 3, coral reefs. Number 4, sunrise and sunset views. And number 5, mangrove forest. And number 6, flora and fauna. With the natural beauty around and the weather work, Pahawang Island can be a special pleasure for some divers or divers as well as snorkeling admirers. The area of Pahawang Island is around 1,084 hectares. Next. Interesting facts about Pahawang Island. Number 1 is location. Island located of Punduh by Marga Punduh Pindada District, Pasawaran Regency, South Lampung, with a trip time of about 2 hours, and during the trip you can also see the beauty of the hills and beaches. Number 2, local residents. There are 6 villages on Pahawang Island. Some of the inhabitants were transmigrants from the island of Java during the New Order era. Most of the residents work as fishermen. Number 3, underwater tourism. This location takes a year to become a snorkeling spot with a depth of 2 to 4 meters, where tourists will meet a variety of marine life. Number 4, Nemo Park. Nemo Park, apart from fish and coral reefs, visitors can also see a variety of unique fish spots under the sea of Pahawang Island. Snorkeling spots that have residents made installations in the form of gates, writings to mini temples. Number 5, beautiful sunset. You can play and get to know the clownfish Nemo, who has become the icon for the cartoon films Finding Nemo. Number 6, unique fish snorkeling spot. And the last, big and small Pahawang. There are two Pahawang Islands, namely Big Pahawang Island and Little Pahawang Island. The same has the beauty of the beach and the exotic underwater. Moreover, when you arrive at Pahawang Island, there is a special lunch that is served. Culinary specialties are dishes with fish raw materials because on the island of Pahawang, which is by 400 families, they uh, generally work as fishermen. Every day, they look for fish. With tourism that is now developing, fish is used as food for visitors who stop by Pahawang Island. The local youth also formed a tourism awareness group or Darwis, which carried out various innovative efforts to develop marine tourism around Pahawang Island. Tourism here is not only about seeing the panoramic view under the sea, but also enjoying the beaches and the typical culinary delights of Pahawang Island. You can also stay here. There is a pledge to stay even though it is still simple. If you stay here, there are two things that are a pity to miss. Enjoy the sunset and sunrise for travelers as well as those who like photograph. This is the time to capture the momentum of the sinking and rising of sun. Uh, okay, this just from me. If anyone want to ask, there is question.
Aulia, Aulia,
Yeah.
I have question for you. What is special about Pahawang Beach?
What is special about Pahawang Beach? Okay. Pahawang Island is an island that is included in the Lampung province, more uh, preci- more precisely located in Pundu Padada district. Pahawang Island is indeed an island that is very suitable for voyagers who really like snorkeling activities or taking photos around the beach, which are still clean with shades of blue sea, which are indeed extraordinary. Uh, so actually, The location of Beauty is not located directly on Pahawang Island, but in several places or spots around Pahawang Island. Generally, travelers only use Pahawang Island a as a place to take a break for lunch or just things in homestays and tourist attractions around Pahawang Island, uh, which complement the fun and excitement of all voyagers. On these occasions, we would like to share what spots can be visited around Pahawang Island while Pa- in Pahawang. Again, if there is wrong in the language, I'm sorry. This just from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.